Tools that help succeed. This is the time to go to futures, not futures like coins, GABA, behind Forex. Okay, fine. Got a weekly. Yeah, weekly is a huge big, right? So from the weekly perspective, what you can expect? So from the weekly perspective, price sweep, like it's not even a sweep, it's kind of a equal lows in my perspective. You go all my, but in lower time frame, it's a tiny sweep. Go all the way up, rebalancing the travel gap, and it's getting respected. So if I'm not wrong, we can expect some lower prices. Let's say at least to this low. So this should be the draw on liquidity for me since the order flow is a bit super bearish. So this should be the DOL. Okay. The reason why it's a DOL, so just order flow is bearish. Reason why we're holding the price. So we technically need to be bearish. And this is the last previous week low and high. I'm gonna mark out. I'm gonna mark out this low and this low. Yeah. So this is weekly levels for us. Uh, WL weekly low and weekly sorry. This is our weekly high and this is our weekly low. Fine. So I consider this as a drawn liquidity since the order flow is bearish. It's holding the price, so expecting some lower prices to this level previous week low. But I just marked out the previous week high and previous week low. Price pretty close to the previous week low, so we can expect this as the drawn liquidity. This and this should be that. Go to 1 hour. Yeah. In 1 hour, what happening? What happened here, bro? In 1 hour, good push to the upside. Okay, sweep, good push to the downside, sweep the liquidity, tiny sweeps might be the equal lows, go all the way up, inversion holding the price, strong bearish. So I expect this should be the continuation towards this low. That should be the case. So yeah, this is our draw on liquidity and weekly low should be the target. And for this, whether we have any fair value gap, so there is no fair value gap created so far. Yeah. So daily kind of swept the Friday low, right? This is a Friday. So daily kind of swept the Friday low and tab and printed the equal lows here and start to rebalance to the higher towards higher. So obviously it's going to be a selling day for me. Okay. So this is our daily time frame. So coming from daily time frame, it seems like super bearish. So let's see. H4. Yeah. Yeah, man. So inside this range, we need to be damn bearish, bro. So it's not even sweep any levels, and this is a on liquidity. So, all I'm planning to do just mark out this level because this is the for this whole swing where we can expect the price to reverse. This place or this place. We have the recently formed. And one more thing, the extremely premium, sorry, discounted bullish value up still holding the price. Still holding the price. And if we plot the whole thing, it will come to this point. Yeah. So this is where we can expect the reversal. Price go all the way up. Body will stop, might stop here, and the wick fill up this inversion, and then we start to sell off all the way towards downside. That might be one case, or else this value of holding the price, pushing lower. That's gonna be that's gonna be another. Okay. So loss formed family gap, holding the price, clear out the first leg. Let's see what's going to happen. Might be the draw already going to be this high, first for sure for now. This is 4 hours. Okay. Around 4 hours, this fella still getting respected. Okay. There's no sweep, nothing. Forward is dump clear. Sprint take a loss, go all the way up. So until this point, we can expect the price to reach this is the optimal level. The flip, so price might stop here and beginning up and start to sell off towards this and this low. That should be one case. Another case, it's keep on going higher and clear out the weekly high. But I don't think the Chinese week since the extremely premium fair value gap still holding the price. Let's see what's going to happen, bro. 1 hour, it's not very clear, but it's a strong bearish leg. The order flow is completely bearish, strong bearish, and this is also a strong bearish leg. And 15 minutes, there is no sweep here. This is my DOL, but I don't know when it's going to reach. That's the thing. Okay, I don't find anything here. So it's kind of sweep all the liquidity, the loss fair value gap that holding the price now caught. ran through it and we got the structure shift and all. Ran through, we got the structure shift and also I expect the price to reach this high. Don't confuse yourself, bro. Don't confuse yourself. Okay, I'm in 15 minutes already. 90% say what the fuck? Still, you need some validation, bro. I knew that. Your body is aching for to get some validation. That's a key problem with you. So flip. I'm gonna mark out this file here. M5. Yeah, sorry, M15. The reason why I mark this file here, not to come lower, price should come higher, right? So in order to come lower, price should go higher and sweep some liquidity and then come lower. So what might happen? A strong sell-off. This is the first leg, and this is our second leg, and this is we got everything like first leg plays out. So the value that holding the price got ran through, and this fellow also get ran through, leave this imbalance. So we can expect some. So this is the last significant lost manipulation to the before the structure shift. So what you can expect if the market is expanding higher. Let's put the body. Yeah, where it's printed exactly at the H4 bullish value. Exactly at this point. Is there anything specific in 5 minutes? Yeah, it's 5 minutes also pretty damn good. It's well swept here, but it's kind of first leg come all the way down, cleared out all the liquidity, and then what happened? Inversion, structure shift, so it's keep on going higher. So if I'm not wrong, don't see from that perspective only, since yeah, it's a clear structure shift, bro. At least we can expect price clear up this and reach this point and then it start to sell off. That would be something good. But in 5 minutes it seems like bro it's kind of accumulating here. Good accumulation, swept, expanding higher. Crazy the accumulation. Beautiful accumulation for at 215 to till this point it's kind of accumulated here. Let's wait. Damn. No trade, no news for today. I don't have any news for today, so It's better not to look for something great since we don't have any news. Yep, nothing. Nothing crazy going on, bro. So this week, can we check this week? So Tuesday we do have one 10 a.m. news, USD, red folder. Wednesday, no. Yeah, Wednesday we do have news, two red folders, non-farm employment change, A15 Holy crap. Wednesday we do have a very big news as well. It's kind of 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 2:30. It's three red folders, 10 a.m. No, 10 a.m. orange folder, 8:30, 8:15, 8:30 news. Yeah. Damn, 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 damn. 31, damn. This week is a good news week. Yeah. Friday, August. Damn, Friday is August 1, bro. Friday, August 1. And it's CPI. Besides Monday, we do have a strong news, bro. Strong news. So Monday might be Trace setting up something for the following days, following news. So let's see. Mhm. So according to this one, it's clear the low hanging fruit. Closed above seems like a structure shift. But in 15 minutes, it's totally seems like awkward. According to 1 hour, this should be the structure shift, right? This should be the structure shift. So still we don't have any structure shift. Good push to the downside. Boom. And it also flip this yeah. Tap the level. Bicep has been taken. What happening? Market open quick dump. Finishing London. This is a Asia range. This is a London range. London low speed. 730 speed. Holy fuck. Asian range, London range, get swept, go all the way up towards studies. Holy sorry, man. This is not a randomizer levels. So that's the thing. It's exited 7:39. So 7:30, what happened here? Just come all the way down, fetch the London low, rebalance, flip the guy. It's kind of boom. It was a fair value guy. Flip, and this leave this fair value. What happened? Flip this counter, put the top of this high. Yeah, that's nice, right? So if you just targeting under high clean target, right? Done for the day. Simple, so as simple as it is. What happened? Range, like a London range repeats. London, it's form a huge range and it's getting swept. What happened then? Once it's getting swept, it's flip this fair value inside this one, it's the last one. Flip this fair value again. It's break above this level and it's kind of tap this level one time. Swept, big candle. And it's also flipped this level. So I entered my position here, put the stop of this level, expecting the price to reach London high. So London high is our target. It has been met successfully. It has been met successfully, right? It has been met successfully. 15 minutes, it seems like fucking awkward. Huh? So if I'm in 5 minutes, what as my fill would be in 5 minutes? In 5 minutes, I don't get good fill bro in 5 minutes to be honest. So Asian range, London range. So we can expect the price to reach Asian range and there is a London range. As soon as the Asian low gets has been swept, as soon as the Asian low has been swept at exit at 7:30, swept inversion, big displacement. So and it go all the way up and swept the London high. It's like bro, so this is where I expect the price to come max. So if I get the market make a buy model here, we can expect some continuation towards Asia high. London has been taken structure shift. So I was in confusion. I wasn't under the confusion. So from just execute like then I had taken structure shift, boom enter, right, shot, boom enter here. Put the set limiter here and execute it, stop at this side. Targeting out. Targeting this level. The rule is very simple, bro. Gunner has swept. After it's swept the runner what happened? Structure shift, displacement. So once it reaches earlier, so once it is earlier, like I you pull now, but I set my limit order here. Set my limit orders here. Put the stop at these right, fighting war prices. Length and waist over this. I expect the price to reach at least this level. Yeah, this level is almost to 1.8. That's right. It's 1.5. Quick scale. 1.5 quick scale. Never really good at all, but still it's possible. So this is our first target. This should be my first target. If this fair value gap 15 minutes getting flipped, so my obvious target would be what? Would be this low and this low. That's the thing. I don't know what's going to happen set this range. It sweep the London low. London low sweep on எங்க போய் போறேன். As soon as it sweep the London low, it's a good amount of accumulation here. Good amount of accumulation. Final sweep. As soon as it swept the London low, go all the way up to the London high. Go all the way up to the London high. Then in 1 minute, you can clearly see that, right? This is the entry. This is the fill. This is the fill that we catch. Exactly at 7:49. Exactly at 7:49, you can get this entry. This entry. 7:50, you can get this entry. Why? London low swept, big displacement, and the last forward five area holding the price. Tag, one more time swept, stochastic plus big displacement entered, put the stop at the low, and it's also leave this imbalance, so I don't like to see any close below this range. And it's kind of flip this. So inversion getting flipped, inversion value getting flipped. Yeah, that's nice, right? Swept, big displacement. Shape on a big displacement. It is not okay. That's minor. It's minor issue, but last flip the value. Getting tabbed. Getting tabbed one more time. Sweep the internal. Strategy shift enter. Put the stop at this side. Put the stop at this low. And target on S2, which means at least Asian high. So London high. Taken. It's clearly getting taken. Once you take the London high, what's happened? High, low, high, low. Let's give the structure shift. Let's leave this imbalance and it's imbalance holding the price. I damn sure expect the price to reach at least to the 5 minutes level here. But at 5 minutes, it seems like super fucking vast in 5 minutes. So if the price come to this level and it's printing some sort of market maker buy model, strong model, I can anticipate the price to this edge for bearish fair value up or at least to Asia high. And where the market opened last day, this is where I guess, yeah. This is where the market opened. Accumulation started display silver, again accumulation. All you need to do, just wait here in 5 minutes and delete this tiny fellows. You don't need that. Obviously, you don't need that. Yeah. So the reason why I'm trying to buy here, I just sweep the London high. It's kind of forming some market maker sell model, and it's completely get failed. Why the reason get failed? Because it's high time frame fair value gap. As you can clearly see, as you can clearly see, after the sweep, it's clearly break this level, flip all the fair value up and close above, and just leave the 5 minutes. Open the 5 minutes fair value, 15 minutes fair value gap. Yes, and in 5 minutes, what happening right now? And in 5 minutes, it's kind of leave this fair value open, and this tiny fair value holding the price. Inside this range, it's kind of print this liquidity swept and it started expanding now. So I expect the price to expand all the way towards Asia high. Right. So after it's clear of the London high, it's kind of printing some market buy model. Now it's get failed. So I entered my position. Put the stop at this level. And I just want to see the expansion move towards the Asian high. And final target should be that place. And this is more than enough only should open right? Which completely failed my model. Completely failed my model. I don't want to take this kind of entries. I'm just speculating it. That's it. Yeah, it's literally flip all the family years. So this high continuously getting protected. This high. Let's go all the way up to this level, and now it's flip all the family up to the downside. So it's obviously going to go lower. The time is 8:44. It's better to go to futures and see something at a very interesting. Here it's nothing but it's kind of not damn clear. It's not even sweep the weekly low daily period. It's damn sweep the previous day low for sure. Previous day low has been swept, break displacement, structure shift, flip all the family apps, leave this imbalance. Inside this imbalance, if we get some market maker by model, we can expect some continuation towards this and this high. That would be the plan for today. And since it print equal lows at the bottom, so I'm not sure whether I can go for buy or it's better to stick with selling. So after clear of the London high is kind of accumulating here. Kind of accumulation going on. Accumulation. Maybe the power of three come and swept, then it's going higher. Let's see. So I'm just gonna mark it out this far. I get one. That's it. Once the price reaches this below, I can look for something out of it. Once the price come and reach this area, I can look something out of it. I'm targeting higher prices. If not, I'm good. Now let's move on to Nasdaq. Just do the pre-market game plan. You can clearly see the gap up and price try to fling up, fling down the gap. Damn, what the fuck is going on in Nasdaq? It's keep on going higher and higher and higher. Strong bullish trend going on there. As you can clearly see, the last week candle is closed strong bullish. All-time high has been taken. It's kind of strong bullish, which leave this big imbalance though. So what I can do, I just mark out the weekly high and weekly low. Okay, just those levels are very important levels, right? So I just mark out the weekly low, weekly high. Price is going to be dumb clear, bro. You don't need to worry about anything about bro. What's going on? No, price is going to be dumb clear. If you just sit on your hands and watch, especially in high time period, like 5 minutes, it's dumb clear. All I'm doing is I'm waiting for the key levels. All I'm trying to do here, I'm waiting for some key levels to key levels. Once I get the key levels, I go to 1 minute and get the confluence, get the entry pattern. I just execute my position and align that 1 minute entry with 5 minutes, so I can expect the 5 minutes target, 5 minutes draw on liquidity. But my entry, my stop loss should based on 1 minute, so I can get small fill like with minimum stop, and I can catch big move. That's my plan. That's what I'm practicing here. So weekly high and low. This is our weekly high and low, and you can clearly see that it's a strong close. We might expect the continuation. Come down, tap the previous week high. Great, that level, and it's strong close, good strong close. So you can expect higher prices. This is our week. This is a daily, right? This is a daily time frame. So weekly high plus daily high. So this is not only weekly high but also previous day, the Friday high gapped up. Okay. Mhm. Weekly low. Yeah, I don't think it's going to come this all the way to this point. It's holding, pushing higher. And what happening from yesterday itself? It's a gap up, going up, filling up the gap, kind of filling up the gap. Damn. It's like super bearish candle, but it seems like to the sell off. Let's see what's going to happen to this range. Let's mark out the 5 minutes. It's going to be. So 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes, okay. So it's come and reached in a willing place. Let's see what's going to happen to it. See, from Barry's perspective, London had taken so step structure shift, and the second is getting protected. Go all the way up, the power level, come all the way down to this level, 50%. Let's wait and see what's happening here. I don't find anything 5 minutes to scared to get scared. So the order, you can clearly see the order flow is strong bullish, bro, strong bullish. Okay, and it's kind of previous day weekly high gap up. Come and take the support at this level, exactly at this level. It's take some support here. So it's going to go higher or lower. I don't know what's going to happen next. I had to wait for more structure to form since it has nothing to look around. 1 hour. It's a clean gap up. Down all the way down to this level. It's not even tab this level, to be honest. It's not even tab this level, so we can expect anything out of it. Sure, if you're confused, just stay in 5 minutes though. All you need to catch one is to two. If you catch one is to two, that's all right. Because most of the time you don't get confused and you don't go for any kind of entries in 5 minutes since you don't find any structure. So first entry for the day, going for a long. In order, USD first row. So 0.6 in the sense I can put 0.8 here. By 5. Quick. GST new order. Let's I can put 4 lots and 5 lots here. Five. Oh, that's nice. Exit my very first question. This should be my stop loss now. What's my target, bro? My target should be most probably Asian high, right? So this is our target. And long. I'm going long here, so I just put my entry right here. Right. It was a bit late, but still it's okay. So this is my take profit, but I just want this to fill. Okay. The stop is going to be super tight. Good. Fine. Once it hit my stop, I'm good. Once it hit my take profit, I'm good. This is my take profit. This should be my stop. The stop is should be at 1.34222. Let's not fill. Let's not fill. 1.34313. 1.34313. 1.34313. Again, it should be at least. mm, At least this level should be my state profit. Institute of 1.5. So it's got 1.3426. So you the start crossing here. 1.34222. 1.34. 1.3. So strong push. So I expect the price to reach Asia. Damn, Asia is not here, bro. Actually, the Asia high is right here. Asia high is here. I don't want that. I just want this. So institute is more than enough. I can close the page and walk it away. So to them, as far as it reaches this point, I'm gonna close my position. Okay. Otherwise, I feel all the value. So we don't usually reach this that we are good at it. So that's why I'm not look up. Don't get anything. Why I'm keeping this as my alert? Because Yeah, players break this level, flip all these values, I don't like to see places Tandi, Villain Tandi, Villain Tandi, and we're another target. Okay, boom. Now we can move on to just time is 9 o'clock. I have to move to Nasdaq now. Fetch it, bro, proper full. All that you do, move, close the lab, walk away, otherwise take the stop. You're wrong. Now you can move the stop until. Mm, okay, let's move on 15 minutes. So Asia high taken, Asia low taken, London low taken, so London high is the clean target. Asia high low taken, London low taken, so obviously London high is going to be the target. So let's wait. I need to get some pop up. If I did that. I'm good. If it is this, I'm good. Until then, I don't have any authority to go for an entry. Due to some psychological thing, once you set the entry, once you set the stop loss, target, everything, you don't need to bother about that. And you don't need to see the price action. You don't need to see the numbers changing up and down because that's a psychology thing, bro. You don't know that. You don't know that. It's a psychology thing. You don't want that. You don't need to see that. Because if you're right, it's going to go towards your direction. If you're wrong, it's not that. It's that simple. So once you get the stop loss, all you need to do is just be patient enough to sit in front of the market and expecting lower prices, sell higher prices. You understand? You're going to do it. Not a straight line, Murray. Seems like a fucking straight line. Break. Come all the way down to its one, two, three. Seems like a fucking straight line. And then break. Break entry. Stop at the head. Targeting this level. Siripada. But it's kind of a strong close in 5 minutes ago. There's nothing to laugh about. Strong close. As soon as space close or above all these five value gaps, we can target this side. It's going to take support here or it's going to come here. I don't know. It's kind of confusing me a bit. Even though I can target London High, even though I can target London High, so Asia High and that 4 or 5 gap. I was like, damn, as of now, you don't need to panic at all. As of now, you don't need to panic at all. You have to keep us up at the right place. All you need to do is just wait for this entity to play and keep the stoppers at the right place, very right place, and set my alert at the very right place. I expecting the place to reach this high. This is the Asia range, but I target this high. And let's say this is the ground liquidity is for sure. This is the ground liquidity for sure. This is so you don't have any business to come to this club. Strong push up. Hold on, break out, flip on, flip out. No, roll and follow my That's it. Now I can adjust my stop to that point. So it's a strong selling, bro. Strong selling. 21 seconds. 20 seconds. See how strong it is. See how strong it is. என்ன நடந்துட்டு இருக்குன்னு ஒண்ணும் தெரியல. As of now, what happened is selling the structure shift was below value gap. So inside this, you need to be sell expecting this high and getting protected. I think at least this liquidity, right? Gap down on this liquidity. ஒண்ணு இந்த லிமிட் ஆகுது. அதாவது நான் ஒரு சேஃப்டியான ஒரு இடத்துல வச்சிருக்கேன். Which means I kept my alert at one place. If the place reached that point, which means we are going to be 90% wrong, so we're going to get the stop for sure. If that alert hasn't been alerted, I don't know, bro. It's kind of my face structure, my everything has changed. I'm getting older. Yeah. Not only trading, so it's not a ready But yeah, fuck that shit, bro. Stop it. Stop it. 65 bucks. No. Big fucking stuff. Big fucking stuff, bro. Fuck. Unexpected, right? So okay, I followed my plan at least. At least I followed my plan. How many? It's 480, yeah, 1%. As per my role, it's working, but it's not even given is to 1.5. It's it's did give one is to one, I guess. Not even one is to one, bro. Okay, I'm wrong. I should accept that. Right? I should accept that I'm wrong. So go up, come all the way down. So what happened now? Mm-hmm. The fuck? Good reaction, but it's stopped. And I don't know exactly what happened, what just happened right now. I don't know. But it did stop me out. That side, that I don't know. Yeah, bro, I should accept that, right? I'm wrong. Other than if I get one more entry, I would enter. But it's not the same risk. It shouldn't be. It should be a break even day, right? It should be a break even day. So I can risk up to $30 in my next trade, 50% of what I invested in my first trade. And if I'm cash 1:2, then boom, break even. That's it. Nothing more than that. So I'm going to enter again very pretty soon or that. What I did wrong here, I should move my start loss from this place to this place at least. Let me stop here. So since it displays this much, I can let me start. Let's fuck up with it. Oh, you should let know that. So that's fine. Loss is just part of the game. You don't need to worry about that much. Today I just follow my plan. So the key factor for that is I'm not watching my chat. I just set my stop losses and I plan as per my plan. I give my position. Yeah, it's a bit $15 beyond what I risked. No, only thing I can do today is I could break when the trade since I identify all those things. But yeah, I can generate later, bro. What kind of things I could better, or it's just fine. Just it's not even give honest improvements. I'm wrong totally. Right? It's not even give honest improvements. I'm wrong totally. There is no point of complaining about it. You have to wait for good structure, good entry to present. The time is 9:28. Nasdaq. So boy, what's going on, boy? Once it closed above, we are good to go. If we get any candle close above this candle, we are so good. But I don't think it's going to go higher. It's going to go lower now. What's the stop now? If I see me stop, let's see. 13 pip stop. So 10 pip. What can I do? I don't think anything is going to. Why the hell I can't buy? என்ன ரீசன் சொல்ல மாட்டேங்குது. market open, liquid dispute, innovation, we also have around 50% of metal control the rest less like the next And I printed equal lows here. Equal lows. Let's go all the way up. Either target for one bucket. Not listening to the request for one bucket. What's on one? Start with this. The pair the problem pair rights. And is a pair to the typical operator. If the might is bullish, it should hold on to share. But it's flipped, clearly flipped, and that's the structure shifts. So now I'm fucking bearish, bro. I'm expecting the lower basis, right? If we can the lower by this, I can agree my position right here and put a stop at this high and targeting lower process. Let's wait and see if the club position of this number and bottom. Carry the position down bang. The 50 goes for 15 minutes seems like 15 minutes seems like to the contact close authority by a power sell by a power. If I want to buy, I like to see. If I want to buy, I like to see the price close above this range. Or else I only can go for sell. I agree with the point. Mm, I don't know. In the pursuit of follow Macon, I blew Macon in the pursuit of follow Macon. I lost that point. Not an I don't know what I did. I don't know what I did. I lost $500 today. Sadece şarkı, bir şarkı, onun nedir? Ben madem tutmanı இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்குற சரி ப்ளீஸ் வராத ப்ளீஸ். This is going to be that. சின்ன பொண்ணு எனக்கு வர நேரத்துல வந்து இந்த பைஸ் அப்படியே பை பண்ணி சாப்பிடுறது போறது. சொல்லுமா. நல்லா 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 இருக்கியா? சாப்பிட்டேன். என் என்ன என்ன டென்ஷனு? என்ன அந்த மதிய முன்னாடி சொன்னதா? ம். ம்ஹ்ஹ்ஹ்ம். சொல்லுமா. யாரு? ம். அதான். அப்படியா? ம். 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 Mm. 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 నేను 30% నేను 30% தான் அடிக்கலையே. ம். 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 Mhm. 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 인간관계로 음. 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 ம். சொல்லு, சொல்லு, சொல்லு. இல்ல, இல்ல. சொல்லு, சொல்லுங்க. ம். 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 அப்படியா? ம். 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 வருமா? ம். 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 ம்ஹ்ஹ்ஹ்ஹ்ம். ம். 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 இல்ல, இல்ல. ஒண்ணும் இல்ல. சொல்லுங்க. சும் இல்ல, இல்ல. சும்மா படிச்சுட்டு தான் இருந்தேன்.